Stocking Up today, trader Tim Biggam joins me now to talk about some hot stocks. Good to have you on the show, Tim.
Oh, it's great to be here. Thanks, Ange.
We have to mention Alibaba. Traders watched with amazement as this stock spiked about 3% yesterday. Is this a short squeeze?
Yeah, absolutely, and I think a little too hot to handle up here, so I'm kind of saying bye-bye to Baba at these levels here. Liking kind of positioning with some put plays here, implied volatility, fancy way of saying the price of the options, at about the lowest level we've seen in a year, so I like that combination.
You're taking out protection, but for an average investor, somebody who's been watching this stock rise higher, what do you think happens from here? Do you think it comes down, and if so, in the near term or going out sometime?
Yeah, if you're a straight stock player, I think absolutely trim out some of the positions here. In hindsight, I always feel, selling into strength, buying into weakness, kind of that Warren Buffett adage, makes a lot of sense here. So Baba's had a great run, so don't have to get out of all of it, but taking some profits on a big move up always makes sense.
That's hard to do for some of us. I don't ever want to let go when I see a stock going higher. I just want to watch it keep going higher.
Yeah, and the more it feels good, the more you should probably be selling it. So it's kind of counterintuitive here. So if it feels real good, get out, and you probably won't feel too bad in a week or so.
Good advice. All right, let's move on to another name that you're watching, which is Netflix. What do you do with Netflix?
Yeah, here I'm just looking for a breakout one way or the other. So I'm buying options, straddles, positioning for a move. It's been mired at right around this 97.5 level. So I think the same kind of thing here. If you're an investor, wait for a pullback to be a buyer. If you own the stock, trim out of some of it here and maybe reduce the position, because it's going to move eventually. Which way, who knows?
Now with your option strategy this time, you're telling me basically you expect that maybe there will be a decent size move either way, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. I look back, and anytime it's been this quiet for this long with options this cheap, the move has always been pretty big. So the fact you can get in cheaply and have potentially a big move, I like that probabilistic sort of payoff.
Do you see a big move happening for the overall stock market, Tim?
Same kind of idea there. We've been mired for 40 days now in a trading range since the Brexit rally stalled out. The longer we go and the cheaper options get, the more I like kind of playing the breakout here. So eventually it will break out. Which way, again, unknown.
So you want to be prepared.
Be prepared. You can't predict, but you can always prepare.
Good to have you in the show.
You bet.
Thank you for preparing us.
You got it.